Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cook the Aurora Banquet in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, you need to have the penguin stove. You can get the penguin stove by crafting it. And to craft the penguin stove, you need to complete quest from Massimo, the Aurora Banquet quest, and you can craft this penguin stuff. If you're still confused on how to get the penguin stuff, you can watch my previous video. Okay, and then I'm going to click on cook, and then you can select the Aurora Banquet recipe. I got this recipe after completing the quest, and then you will need steak and also the cake. You will need steak with mashed white radish and creamy white radish soup and original frosted pancake. Then just start cooking like this, and don't forget to adjust the heat level to avoid bizarre food. Okay, keep adjusting the heat level. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, done, and the Aurora Banquet is finished. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Aurora Banquet in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!